Hi, I'm Russell and this is the BBC Elections 2016. I'm here with Andre and we've got 4 cameras that we're tracking here. We've got a pedestal, 2 pedestals, we've got a pan-tilt zoom head and we've got a crane that we're tracking. So we're using new software from VizRt called Tracking Hub. So how does Tracking Hub work?
So Tracking Hub is really a great product that we've introduced quite recently, and it came to replace VizIO. And some of the benefits of it is that it allows us to have a much quicker and easier setup where we grab all the data from the tracking system and we send it to all our render engines in order to apply it to the virtual world that we create with it. Therefore, our virtual cameras move exactly the same way. They deform the graphics in the same way. Reality is getting deformed, and with this new system, it's much easier for us to troubleshoot, to make modifications, and to just get much better information throughout.
Tell me a bit about the delays, because when you have any tracking system, the process of doing the tracking and finding out where the camera is, that creates a delay that we then have to compensate for within Tracking Hub.
Yeah, so with the Tracking Hub we can accommodate and we can use it to match the delay that the tracking system needs to process the data, plus the delay that we need to process the graphics and to the rest of the gallery, really. So yeah, everything needs to be synchronized together, and it is some of the features that we can use within our software in order to put everything coming together, really.
So it's a new user interface for they call it Studio Manager, which is the user interface that you use to connect your tracking system to the Tracking Hub and then to the render engines. That's been improved, right?
Yeah, it's great. Now we have we can visualize it in a much better way, and we can see all the cameras moving around in the studio. So if there's something going wrong, we can easily spot what's going and fix it straight away. So yeah, much better to visualize what's happening.
And as far as the protocols that Tracking Hub can take, I mean, it's basically any standard protocol that most tracking systems use.
Yeah, we can integrate with most of the tracking systems, and yeah, it's not difficult to implement new ones either. So yeah, we have an extensive list at the moment. So the major providers of tracking in the market today will be integrated with us already.
Here on the elections we also have a series of engines that are used for other purposes. One engine is used for a map projector so that Jeremy can see where he's walking, and another for a wall projector so he can see the battleground on the wall behind him.
Yeah, we also have an engine just to render a holdout mask. So what this does is, when we move the cameras around to the real sets, we're actually not keying any green area in there.
Yeah, the whole system has to be integrated and supported by Viz, and we work closely with the BBC design team to get the system looking good and working on air on the night.